Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Savvy Hub, and I am here with my another video. And my this video is about some high pencil heel in really beautiful design and different color combination that looks really amazing and really pretty with your every kind of outfit, like it's eastern or it's western. It look really beautiful with both and enhanced your personality, make your outfit more pretty and make it more amazing and beautiful. And as you see, this combination looks really different, a very unique and beautiful kind of color combo and a very shiny material that makes your heel more pretty and amazing. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting and more beautiful and enhanced it with the very different and beautiful design of heels. And as you see, this heel also looks really nice with your eastern and western dresses, and this one is also a very beautiful combination and a very beautiful look. And this one is also a very nice black color heel with the green kind of combo that looks really nice, very beautiful shade of the green, emerald green, that looks really nice and amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful slipper kind of heel that looks really nice and really amazing, beautiful kind of brown color heel that looks really nice and very pretty. And this one is also a very beautiful black shiny material of the heel that looks really nice and really amazing, beautiful kind of design. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon and like this video, comment on this video and share this video. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end.